This is how to play Ungukuphila by Xoli. The original key of the song is the key of D sharp, or you can call it E flat. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song with the original key, which is the key of D sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. Another thing is, I don't know the lyrics of the song, so if I'm singing it wrong, please forgive me, guys. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says, Ungukuphila manxeba akho ayeza uninana neninani naneni nenini ununu na na. And then there's a part that says I don't know if it's the same song that says Siyavumela numuhle baba. So I'm not sure if it's the same song. If it's the same song, but we'll include that part as well. Okay. Let's break it down. It starts right here on D sharp major first inversion. Okay, which is this chord, and on the left you go to 1. On the left you go to 1. Remember, on the major scale of the key of D sharp, we have a 1. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? And if you want to know all these things, you can just join a private community. Send me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. The price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment. Okay? Yeah, just send me a WhatsApp to get more details. So when you hit this chord on the right, on the left, you go to D sharp major. You go to D sharp, okay? Which is known as our number 1. This is known as our number 1, but it's the first inversion. From here, we're gonna do this movement, and then we're gonna go to the chord of G major. Yeah, I mean G sharp major, second inversion. Okay, after 1 is this movement, and then it's 4. Okay, I'm gonna do that movement slowly so that you can see it. It's ba ba ba. Okay, when you press the third note on the left, you come to F. Na 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 na. And then you press this one. When you come to this one, you go to G, and then back to this one, and then we play our chord. It's simple, right? Na 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 na. But you're gonna have to do it fast. Ba ba bum 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 bum. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Ungukuphila, hey, ba ba bum bum bum, manxeba akho. From here, you're gonna go to C minor, second inversion, which is this chord. It is known on the major scale of D sharp. It is known as our number 6. Okay, on the major scale of the key of D sharp, it is known as our number 6. You're gonna come to this chord, and then you go to A sharp major, second inversion. It is known as our number 5 on the major scale of the key of D sharp. Okay, let's start from the beginning. And na 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 ne na 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 ani ne na na. I hope you saw it. And then from here, you're gonna go to 1 again. Ni ni na na ni ni na ni. And then from 1, you wanna do this movement. Ba ba bum 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 bum. It's not hard. Okay, watch closely. You're gonna go to ba ba ba. When you get to the third note again, you press F on the left. Na 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 na. Okay, on the left you are playing the same notes, the same ones that you've played when you played this movement. And then it's the same thing. Okay, so let's do it one more time, slowly. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Ungukuphila, manxeba akho aliyezaku. 1. Uligcwala neni nani, nani neni. From here you come to F minor. This is F minor. Na 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 ni. From here you come here. You come to this chord, okay? Okay. I think this is 1/1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1/5. It's a slash chord. And then from here you come here. Okay, you come to this chord. From here you go back to 1. Okay, let's start from the beginning and play the whole thing. And then we're gonna go to a part that says okay, so it starts right here on G sharp major, second inversion, and then from here it comes here. Okay, watch closely. It's this one. On the left you come here on G sharp, and then from here you come here. Okay, from here you're gonna go to C minor, second inversion again. From C minor, second inversion, you go to A sharp major, second inversion. Okay, let me sing it. C minor, A sharp major, na, 1, na, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing again. Oh, C minor, A major, yalo, 1, okay. If you want to make it more nice, you can play it like this. You can sing C minor, A major, yalo, 1, ja, and do this movement. Ba ba bam 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 bam. C minor, na 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 na. We are done with both parts. Okay, so I'm gonna try to play this part. Da 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 dee 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 da da. So I'm not going to explain this part. I'm just going to play it. Hopefully you'll see it. Okay, it's your number 1. Ba 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 didn't prepare it, but I think you'll see it. Let's do it again. Pa, 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 pa. One last time. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, let me sing it. Okay, so let's start from the beginning and play the whole thing. I believe you saw it. Okay, so let's start. Let me play it with the metronome, because there are some people who are very bad at keeping the timing of the song. So I'm gonna play it with the metronome. So the timing of this song is 4/4 time. If you are one of my students, I think you know that. Okay, I'm just going to play it with this tempo. Okay, and Ungukuphila manweba ako alizaku ulitwala lenimani Let's go to the second part. I hope you saw it, guys. I hope you learned something in this video. Until we meet again, God bless you.